Okay, so the first question we're going to talk about is what I made my diorama of, or what did I use. So it's kind of hard to see right now, but this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go through each one and talk about what I used. So for the volcano island, I used just a solo cup, and then I drew lava coming down. And then for the seamount, I did a smaller closed cup, this, right next to it. For my mid-ocean ridge, I use these little tinsels that we use in structures of geometry. And so I have just multiple of them all curved and in the middle. For my abyssal plane, I just did a flat piece of paper right under the seamount. And then for my trench, I used the same thing, but I used it and put it in a V, its lowest point. For my continental slope and continental shelf, this would be my continental slope, sloping down, and then my continental shelf. I just put it like this, so it's lined up. So list all the features. So there's volcanic island, seamount, abyssal plain, mid-ocean ridge, trenches, continental slope, and continental shelf. So the ocean floor can be divided into three regions. These three regions being the continental margins, abyssal plains, and mid-ocean ridges. So one of the questions was, what are the difference between like active and passive? So active continental margins tend to have narrow continental shelves. Passive continental margins are continental margins that are not tectonically active. These areas have flat lands and have a wide continental shelf, which is submerged border of the continent. So the last question would be talking about the Platonic. It says, how does it relate to plate tectonics? So the mid-ocean ridges are spreading centers that are divergent. Plate boundaries where magma wells up from below, creating new oceanic crests. Ocean trenches form where crystal plates plunge back in the mantle. Thus, these long, narrow depressions are associated with convergent plate boundaries. And also, I just want to show you my diaphragm. Looks like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.